I'm going candy truck language Japanese. Kono bamen wa, katashita koren ga okai duru yodisu ni, otoko noko osoraku kevin ga onanako fisofa no basho kori der sonai. Haike ni yurumo mitori no kodomo wa, sonorous wa ni kawa ushai duru yosu itsu. Or wa yoku aru kitishimi ya tomodachi doshi kinka okeda sosaku rasu no yodi, menseki subeki jujitsu wa hititsu wa naku. Mashiroka Patsu Chikai Teki Sogo Seo Ga Agata Reading Ma. It looks like there is a bit of a disagreement happening in this scene. We have a boy, presumably Kevin, arguing with a girl over a spot on the couch, while another child in the background looks distressed by the conflict. Since this appears to be a creative illustration depicting a common sibling or pure squabble, there isn't a single fact to analyze, but rather a dynamic social interaction. Jitai was sukur tashida yodisu, futari no kodomo ga hagesh koren okuri hirajerika, ka no kodomo wa akura kanihoyo shidenaki dashiidamasu. Kor wa, shitatsu geisakar dashi, sono bani uru zeni ni akio o atita tenki takino raidasu, kinsho ga korhodo takamaru tu, dijisha doshi dijitayo chinsei ka sa siru no wa kananetsu, ko no hyonich kyoni teisho suru ten no kinsetsu kikina, hoho o kutsu ka no shokai shibutsu. It looks like the situation has escalated. While the two older children are locked in a heated argument, the younger child is now clearly overwhelmed and crying. This is a classic example of a conflict that has spilled over and affected everyone in the room. When tensions run this high, it can be difficult for the parties involved to de-escalate on their own. Here are a few constructive ways to handle a situation like this. Candy truck. Stop. Candy truck, how dare you? Kevin and Sophie are arguing. That's Sam. That's it. Grounded for 1,244 days. Go to your room right now.